Hi, I'm Laura Weissman, licensed marriage and family therapist in Newport Beach, California, and founder of Psyched About Love. And today I'm going to talk to you about frustration. I know I've had a few of those in my life, in my relationship, marriage, children. How about you? Yeah? Okay, great. So maybe what you didn't know about frustrations, though you might have a great deal of experience with them, is that they're actually the vehicle for transformation. How is that possible, you may ask? It's possible because the frustration is never about the frustration. Just like in other videos we've talked about, the story is never about the story. It's what happens to you underneath that. So for example, let's say your frustration is that your husband leaves his clothes on the bedroom floor instead of putting them in the hamper. Okay, so you might start a frustration dialogue saying, "You know, it really frustrates me when you leave your clothes all over the bedroom floor instead of putting them in the hamper." And you would think your frustration is about the frustration, your story is about the story. But as you begin to talk about it, and you allow yourself to go to deeper feelings, like what's under that frustration, what's under that anger, well, the truth is, I feel like you take me for granted. And the truth is, it feels like you don't appreciate everything that I do. And whatever else comes up for you. And then, I know this sounds really weird because we're just talking about socks on the bedroom floor, but what does that remind you of your childhood? What do those feelings of being taken for granted, of not being appreciated, being invisible, not mattering, remind you from your childhood? And then you ask your partner for 3 gifts to help heal those feelings. And they would be very, very specific and related to those feelings. So not only are they related to that wound that you're trying to heal, but they are time related, meaning twice a week for the next 2 weeks for 30 minutes, I'd like you to sit and talk with me and play and dream about our future. And your partner has the opportunity to say, easy, yes, I can give you that gift. Challenging, yes, I can give you that gift and it's going to be very hard and a stretch for me. Or not for now, meaning not ever, just like not for now, it's not on the table. And they are gifts. They're not meant to be weapons to beat your partner up with. Well, you said you were going to do this and you didn't do this, and to make your partner not good enough again. So there is a much longer and much more involved format for the frustration dialogue, but I just wanted to give you a quick overview of how an Imago dialogue can be modified for a frustration dialogue or a behavior change request. If you have any questions, write them in the comments below and I will get back to you. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.